All right, y'all, we're gonna make a Crockpot cheddar steak and gravy. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of beef stew meat. Start with our seasonings. We're gonna throw in some garlic powder. Now I love garlic powder, so I'll do a little extra, but you can do a tablespoon or whatever you prefer. Also some onion powder. Get all the flavor in there. Some salt and pepper. And finally, very important, we're going to throw on 1 packet of brown gravy mix. Get that spread on all over there. Once you got all your seasonings on there, we're going to start with our liquid mixtures. So we're going to put 1 can of cheddar soup over the top of that. Scrape it out nice and thorough. Once you get your cheddar on there, we're also going to put in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You can also do cream of onion. They didn't have that at the store, so I went with cream of mushroom, but either of those should be good in this recipe. Once you got that scraped out, we are also going to put in 1 cup of beef broth. Just pour it on over. Once you got all that in there, go ahead and just kind of gently stir so all those flavors are mixed around together in there. All right, y'all, once you've given it a gentle stir, we're going to put our lid on. And we're going to put it on high for 3 to 4 hours. All right, and after about 3 to 4 hours, should look a little something like this. You see the meat's all cooked in there and everything. So last but definitely not least, we're going to throw in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese that I shredded up myself. I recommend doing that because it melts better. Once you get your cheese in there, go ahead and just give it a good stir until it's all melty and smooth. And then once it's all melted, throw in our final ingredient, 12 ounces of already cooked egg noodles. Get that all folded in with the meat. All right, and once you got it all mixed together, this is ready to try. So here we go. Moment of truth, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's get 1 more scoop. Oh, baby. Oh yeah, and I smell that cheese. Let's go.